Okay, so here's the clock movement, all disassembled now. I let the power down first, then I disassembled it, and you see all the little parts here that have to be cleaned. The spring has to come out of that barrel, the barrel cleaned it, and the spring cleaned and re-greased, and then everything put back together and oiled. So this is the first step before I put them into the cleaner. Okay, so now the parts have come out of the cleaner and everything is nice and shiny, and it all has to be put back together now. So looking pretty good right now. And so here is the final assembly. This little clock is put back together. Should start going by itself here. So as you can see, it's got a nice little beat to it. Everything looks nice and clean and shiny, ready to go back into the clock. Okay, so I placed the movement back into the body of the clock and everything is completed. And this is what it all looks like, all done. I'll just move this around the back so you can see the pendulum. Might even be able to hear it ticking. And it is ready for sale. A nice little clock with a good quality French movement, completely cleaned, oiled, and serviced.